Hello, today we are going to learn how to calculate gratuity online using Excel sheet or web-based online calculator. So first, what is gratuity? So it is a perquisite amount to be given by employers to all employees except those who are apprentice, irrespective of their salaries. So when gratuity is payable, it is payable at the time of retirement, resignation, or who has completed 5 years of continuous service. So let's head over to what are the things that we need in order to calculate gratuity. So first thing, we need the number of working years in terms of months, years and days. Suppose someone has worked for 6 years, 7 months and 14 days. The second thing, we need to know the basic amount of your salary in a month. Third thing is dearness allowance. Generally it is applicable to government employees. Fourth thing is commission if someone is receiving on a based of fixed percentage of turnover. So what is the gratuity calculation formula? It is a simple formula. So it is 15 by 26 multiplied by the total amount of your basic DA and commission into multiply by total number of years of service plus excess of 6 months to be considered as a completed year. For example, if you have worked for 5 years 6 months only, the total number of years will be considered as 5 years. And suppose you have worked for 5 years 6 months and 1 days, then the total number of years will be 6 years. So point to be noted, any excess of 6 months is treated as a completed years. So let's learn how to calculate the gratuity amount using our calculator. So if you want to know how to find this calculator, just go to google.com. So this is our gratuity calculator. Okay. So how did you find this calculator? Go to type in google.com, search for gratuity calculator online 2020. So you will find, okay, this is the gratuity calculator. Okay, yes. So you need, suppose you have 1 lakh monthly basic amount, 0 dearness, 0 commission, for 12 years, 6 months, 0 days. The amount of gratuity that you may receive is 6,92,000. Just reset it, put the same amount, enter the same 1 lakh rupees, 0, 0, 12 years, 6 months, 1 days. Did you see the change of the gratuity amount? The amount changed to 7,75,000 rupees. Okay, this is the snapshot of gratuity calculator in Excel. You can find the same calculator on our website. Let's scroll down. Yes, click over it and you can download the gratuity calculator on Excel. is the Excel gratuity calculator. So the same amount you can enter 1 lakh rupees 0 0 6 years 12 years 6 months 0 days. The amount of gratuity to receive is 6,92,000. If you add 1 day, the amount of gratuity got changed. And you can also check tax-free and taxable gratuity. So if you receive, suppose the same amount 7,50,000 from your employer, then tax-free gratuity will be 7,50,000 and taxable gratuity is 0. Suppose if you receive 8 lakh rupees from your employer as a gratuity, it becomes 80 lakh. It should be 8 lakh. Okay. The tax-free gratuity is 7,50,000 and the taxable is 50,000. So what we got this amount, and this calculator helps to calculate the gratuity amount and the taxable and tax-free gratuity amount. So if we know how to calculate the taxable and tax-free gratuity, any gratuity amount received by government employees, central or state, is tax-free. For non-government employees, how to calculate? What is the actual amount of gratuity received? The gratuity calculation as per the gratuity formula or online calculator or Excel calculator. And third is 20 lakh rupees. So any of the minimum amount will be considered is tax-free and the remaining amount is taxable. If you have any questions, what is the eligibility of gratuity? There is a 5 years of continuous service in order to eligible for the gratuity amount. When you are entitled for gratuity, at the time of termination or resignation, retirement, death or disablement due to disease or accident, voluntary retirement schemes, retrenchment or layoff. Can I withdraw gratuity during my employment? No. You cannot withdraw your gratuity during your employment. You can head over to my blog post. Okay.